Here is the brand new iPhone SE Special Edition. It is everything that is cool and powerful about an iPhone 6s condensed down into an itty-bitty iPhone 5s style package. So here's the phone itself, 4-inch screen, rose gold finish on this one. The hardware all where you would expect it, except for the power button is still retro. It is still on top, just like the iPhone 5s. I'm going to pull off Apple's protective packaging here so we can have a closer look at it. Inside the box, you have Apple's typical designed in California little package, which includes the SIM removal tool for unlocked or international versions and some tips to help you get started. You also have the EarPods, because there is still a 3.5mm headset jack. Zing! You have the USB to AC adapter, and you have the USB to Lightning cable. Quick tour of the hardware. You have the FaceTime camera here, which is the same megapixels as the iPhone 5s, but has the image signal processor from the iPhone 6s. Touch ID first generation sensor. On the side you have the volume buttons and the ring mute switch. On the back you have this new anodized aluminum 6000 series with the new emblazoned Apple logo on it, iPhone SE on the back, and you have the new 12 megapixel 4K iSight camera, same as the iPhone 6s. On this side you have the SIM tray. On the bottom, speaker, microphone, Lightning cable, and 3.5mm headset jack. And retro, you have the sleep wake button right on the top. That is the same as the iPhone 5 and 5s. In fact, these are fairly identical devices. When you look at them, very little to tell them apart on the front. When we switch over to the 4.7-inch iPhone 6 or 6s, you can see that's where the curves come in. That's where the top versus side button comes in. Bottom still relatively similar. And when you put it next to the iPhone 6 Plus or 6S Plus, it looks like it could hollow it out like a tauntaun and use it for shelter. Button configuration's slightly different, but you can see the rose gold coloring is almost identical. Quick size comparison, iPhone 5 5S, iPhone SE, iPhone 6 6S, 6 Plus, 6S Plus. iPhone SE goes on order March 25, on sale March 31. It's available in space gray, silver, gold, and rose gold. 16 gigabytes, 64 gigabytes, starts at $399 US. That was just a quick unboxing. Hit subscribe and keep it locked to iMore because we'll have lots more coming your way, including reviews.